Okay. Hi guys, me, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, Today I'll be showing you how I take off my braids, my braid removal technique, so to speak. And I'll also be showing you guys how I prepoo. I will be using Moringa oil in this video to prepoo, and prepoo is like basically preparing my hair for shampooing. I'll explain all that in the video as you see me remove my braids and put in the oil into my hair. And yeah, but before we get into the video, please subscribe, please please drop a like down below, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm here with my braids. I just cut them a bit at the end because my hair really isn't as long as the braids that I had put. And I go in with my spray bottle, which has the usual water and tea tree oil in it, and I slightly dampen my hair and my braids. This really did help my hair. I didn't lose as much hair as I usually do when I do my hair. And the oil I'm using is olive oil, and I just apply some like a little bit onto the braids. Of course, you'll get into my hair through the braids. I do this to encourage slip. It gives my hair a bit of slip, and that way my hair doesn't break when I'm undoing the braids, and it's so much easier. Trust me guys, it's so much easier to undo your braids like this. And I have been putting braids in for a long time, and I've never felt as comfortable as I did when I did this. So just take a few drops of olive oil, put them on your hand. I hadn't done one braid, so I'm just detangling it with my fingers, finger detangling. Then I start undoing my braids. Look how simple it is. Like, look at how my fingers are just gliding through that braid. Like, you guys honestly have to try this and like tell me how you felt. Don't put too much water, also not too much olive oil, but if you have the water and olive oil in place, the amount of slip you get on your braids is absolutely amazing. And your hair doesn't get tangled in the braid at all, it just slips out. Then I finger detangle that section of my hair, of course, when I get the braid out. And yeah, I didn't think you guys wanted to see I didn't think you guys wanted to see me undoing all of my braids. That's gonna be like a very long video and like way too boring. So I undid them off camera, and now I'm back with just one. The hair that I did undo, I put it into like braided sections because I feel like my hair is a lot, and I really don't wanna like fight with my hair for room while I'm doing my braids. And also this keeps my hair detangled because I'm finger detangling with my fingers, and once I plait it up, like my hair remains that detangled state until I remove my sectioned braids. So yeah, this is the last braid off. This was really easy. Also, the lighting will change throughout the video because I was doing this at different times of the day and I was using natural lighting, so I'm sorry about that. But I do hope you guys are able to see what it is I'm doing. Yeah, final braid off, and let's get to the prepoo. I didn't think I needed to record making the prepoo. It's really straightforward. Making moringa oil is really straightforward. I will put the recipe in the description box below, but all you need is moringa, coconut oil, and olive oil, a mixture of coconut oil and olive oil, and you let the moringa soak in it. I let it soak in it for like a day. That's how I got that oil. You strain the moringa out of the oil and you get moringa oil. This way the moringa is infused into the coconut and olive oil mixture, and yeah, you get your olive oil. Pretty straightforward. But if you guys feel like you want me to upload a short clip of making the moringa oil. I will do that, but I'll be doing that on Instagram because I want it to be a really, really short video. It's really simple. So yeah, let me know if you do want me to do that. So I undid my sections, and now I'm sectioning my hair yet again because working in sections is always the best, like TBH. Especially like if you have like really, really, really um kinky hair and like a lot of hair, working in sections makes your life so much easier, and like your hair doesn't get as tangled, so it's not painful if you do it in sections. That's one thing I've noticed as I have been handling my hair. Yeah, so I section it, and after this is I'm going to apply the moringa oil, of course still in sections because I am like that. So yeah, you section it. I sectioned it at the back, then I sectioned the back section into two sections, and I'm gonna be putting the moringa oil just on my hair. I didn't put it on my scalp, I put it just on my hair. Pre-pooing, why am I clapping? Pre-pooing is important because it protects your hair from the stripping of the shampoo. Now, if you've noticed, I've not used a comb until this section because it's important to limit your use of a comb while you're handling your hair, because the comb really can break your hair and like pull out your hair. So I usually just finger detangle, but because I was going to wash my hair after the pre-poo, I needed my hair to be really, really detangled so that washing it and shampooing it wouldn't cause more tangles and make me have like unmanageable hair. Detangle your hair from the ends towards your roots, as what I have done in the video. This way you don't rip out your hair, okay? Also use a wide toothed comb because the little teeth can break your hair. So yes, I've put in the moringa oil into my first section. I'm going to be putting like a little bit more than that. I'm not gonna give you guys like specific amounts like 13 drops or something. Just like put what you feel is enough into your hair. If you'd like a lot of moringa oil on your hair, you can put a lot of moringa oil in your hair, because what we're doing is a pre-poo. We're not leaving it in our hair. We're gonna wash it out anyway. So do what you fancy. If I remember correctly, I didn't put that much. I put enough. Just what I felt was enough. I would see the section is like a little bit oily. I'd feel like the oil is everywhere, and that's all I'd do. And of course, after putting my moringa oil, I plate up my section. This is how I manage my hair. I always do it in sections, and my sections, I always plate them afterwards so that life is so much easier for me. My hair remains detangled in that state, and I don't need to keep on pushing combs through my hair. Okay, at this point, my camera decided it would focus, so hallelujah. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing much better. I'm so sorry for the lighting and for like the camera. I've been having issues with my phone actually, but I hope this is clearer. So this is basically what I'm gonna do for the whole all of my hair. For all of my hair, I'm going to section it, detangle it with the comb, put in moringa oil, and after I put in the moringa oil, I'm going to leave it in throughout the night. This is to let the moringa oil like really work through my hair. So I leave it in at night. I wear a shower cape. Of course, you can wear a plastic cap if you want, and I secure my shower cape with my satin scarf so that it doesn't come off at night. And yeah, that is how I basically incorporate pre-poos into my hair. This is what I do for all my pre-poos. I always keep it in overnight. So any pre-poo that I'm going to be showing you guys, it stays overnight. That's just what I do. Yeah, I will also be putting the benefits of moringa oil in the description box below, because I don't want to rant for too long. I think I've already ranted for long enough. This video is gonna be around 14 minutes, so I hope that's not too long. If it is too long, let me know so that I can be uploading like shorter videos. But yeah, that's my whole process of pre-pooing my hair. Pre-pooing is preparing my hair for the shampoo. Pre-poo, pre-shampoo. And like I said, the pre-poo protects my hair from the stripping that the shampoo will cause it. And yeah, I hope you guys understand my whole process.
Um, so after I pre-poo my hair, I basically shampoo it, treat it, detangle it, do whatever I'm doing with it on my wash day, and put it in a style. I love protective styles because I'm lazy and I don't have the energy to wake up every day and refresh a style. With this, I just, lay my edges, spray some spritz, and I'm good to go. So yeah, if you want to know how I did get this style, I will be dropping that video next week. I'll be explaining how I wash my hair, how I basically what I do on my wash day, and yeah, you will see how I got this hairstyle. It's really not that difficult. With hair, you have to experiment, and once you experiment, that's when you know what. That's how you know what's good for your hair, what your hair prefers, what your hair does not like. You need to handle your hair and get in there to feel um, your hair, to feel how it feels, so that you can know what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. With the moringa oil, I have to say my hair does feel softer. It could also just be this hairstyle. I've never had this hairstyle before. It's the first time I'm trying it. I've never done twists on my hair like this. I usually like tie it at the end and tie it at the top so that it doesn't unravel. But as you can see, because I did this with my hair wet, it's quite shrunken. That's the length of my hair actually. There we go. Yeah, so I have a lot of content in store for you guys. A lot. I will be taking you through your hair journey. You will be taking me through my hair journey. um, um, I want to get to waist length. Waist length is like here, so I hope I get there. I'm here right now, which is armpit length. That's my armpit. I'm at armpit length right now, and I started seeing a lot of growth once I started treating my hair the way I am treating it now. I've been doing this for 8 months, and I think my hair has never gone past shoulder length. And once I started doing this, that's the first time I've seen my hair get into armpit length. And I've cut my hair like 3 times during this whole process. Not cutting, but like um, cutting off the dead ends. And I still need to cut my hair. I will drop a video on that. I will do it professionally though, because I don't know how to cut my own hair. I'll learn though. Yeah, so let's love our hair. Let's help our hair grow. It's important because it's the crown you wear every day. Embrace your hair. It's beautiful the way it is. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys next week. Please subscribe, drop a like, ask me a question. If you do, I read my comments. If you do have a question, sorry, if you do have a question, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. I will answer you, and if I do not know the answer to your question, I will direct you elsewhere. But like, yeah, let's get to know each other, let's converse, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.